Thank you, Casper.
Casper is there.
Thank you, Casper.
Thank you for
Also
the
for
gift.
you, you're my gift. Ako na lang ni Kit.
No, there is one local in the beach. Last week when we went, he said, I want to buy 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, no problem. No, I will not sell.
He likes to buy.
Buy that. Casper? Oh.
Hello. Si Casper, give me. This for Kit. Huy, the cup. Hala, I forgot to took there your cup.
That's okay.
Aya, oh, spongy man ni. I will go gym, ha?
You have to do the
Jim, that's good actually.
Oh, I don't want to go gym. Wow.
That's nice.
Kitty Pie, we can make baby this one.
Yo!
Sexy yan. Somewhere na. Oh, bagay ka ini unya. Tapos mag-shawl. Wala, wow. Pang ano yun ay ni Kit? Pang yoga. Wow, thank you, Casper. Oh my God, what's this again?
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, that's nice actually, yeah.
Wow, ready na to wear this night.
Yeah.
Pero mas bit ko to ngayon.
Ayan, tapos mag-blazer. Hindi na siya pwede pang, yung pang formal.
Yeah, okay. Hulagi off na ni mo.
No.
Okay na, okay na.
Yung cup, di ba,